Innovation is happening right under our noses, no matter where we are in the world. Let's take a look at some of the most groundbreaking new technologies in development around the globe. We begin in the UK, where Rolls-Royce is designing a very different way to diagnose engine troubles. The company is working with Harvard researchers to create robot helpers for mechanics, and they're drawing inspiration from an unlikely source: cockroaches. This is a swarm robot, a tiny insect-like robot outfitted with a camera and live video capabilities. These bug bots would be fed into an engine's core through a tube and would crawl around into hard-to-reach places in search of issues. They will measure just 10 millimeters in diameter once in production, so there will be few places they won't be able to travel. Rolls-Royce believes the swarm robots will allow mechanics to quickly discover what's wrong with an engine. This could greatly reduce labor costs and maintenance time. Speaking of robots, they'll soon be a fixture alongside humans in workplaces everywhere. That means we'll have to learn how to communicate seamlessly with one another. Scientists at the University of Colorado Boulder believe augmented reality is the most effective language for us both. The team is testing ways that AR headsets can give humans a better idea of a robot's intended path of motion. One idea is to overlay navigation points in three-dimensional space within the headset's field of vision. This gives the user a clear indication of where a robot is headed and when they'll need to get out of the way. Research participants found this method the most helpful among those studied. This type of setup could be used in confined spaces such as offices or sections of factory floors where collision avoidance is paramount. And keeping our eyes upward, we fly to Germany for a vision of personal air travel. While Uber and Lyft duke it out for ride-sharing supremacy on the ground, Volocopter has higher ambitions. It wants to create a taxi service in the sky. The Volocopter 2X is an all-electric helicopter modeled after a souped-up drone. It uses 18 small electric propellers ringed around the top of the cockpit to achieve liftoff on the spot. The Volocopter can carry two travelers for short trips of about 17 miles or about 30 minutes of flight time. The company envisions building a number of rooftop taxi stops where passengers can be picked up and dropped off and the aircraft can be recharged. It flew a successful test flight in Dubai earlier this year and is aiming to launch a commercial pilot program in the next few years. And that's our wrap of the top innovations from around the world.